19 national central banks of the European System of Central Banks, the European Central Bank, and the European Commission launched an EU-funded program coordinated by the Deutsche Bundesbank to support central banks and banking supervisory agencies in EU candidate countries and potential candidates from the Western Balkans. Maintaining financial stability is essential. Only a stable financial and banking system makes it possible for an economy to grow and thus for prosperity to be created. That is why we created the program for strengthening the central bank capacities in the Western Balkans, with the view to the integration to the ESCB. The goal of the program is to strengthen the institutional capacities of the final beneficiary institutions by further enhancing their analytical and policy tools and transferring the best international and European standards into national practices.
All the components of the program for strengthening the central bank capacities with a view to the integration to the European system of central banks have been characterized with open and close communication with involved experts of central banks of EU member states. It is especially helpful to cooperate with people not only with special knowledge but also with practical experience in a given area of central banking.
One of our central bank goals is to provide high-quality statistical data, fully consistent with international and European statistical standards. EU standards are one of our main anchors, and they're closely interweaved into our core of the statistical production.
The project covered several topics devoted to current challenges, especially those related with Basel III. Furthermore, from statistical point of view, the project contributed to strengthening the data essential for effectively capturing and monitoring the build-up of risk in the financial sector.
We have already started in our policies and procedures and manuals to implement these changes, but also we have started preparing changes which are necessary in our laws and bylaws, which are needed to be adopted by the Parliament in order that they are also implemented in adequate manner.
I believe that the most important condition for every young professional is to have the opportunity to develop its knowledge and the support and the space to implement it.
Personally, every opportunity to get to know people from different banks, especially central banks, helps me discover more about the similarities and differences of my daily work. This is most applicable for trainings where the focus is on specifics such as benchmarking, different monetary policies, trading policies, etc.
I am thankful to the European System of Central Banks for establishing this knowledge-sharing platform between its members and central banks from the Western Balkans, and to the European Commission for its decision to support our cooperation.
Collaboration and cooperation between the countries, in my opinion, is improved. Also, we exchange up-to-date experiences.
Even before the project, we had very good cooperation with Western Balkans countries, but the project did improve that, I would say, especially on personal level, because people in institutions always changed.
During this project, we were able to meet different people and to get to know with the different methods of working.
People of different ages, different vocation, different gender had the opportunity to meet and to share among them knowledge and friendship.